This old pile of junk. Everyone told me to toss it. But I saw something else. A chance to build something that meant more than just wood. I'm no pro. Just a guy trying to get his life back on track. After losing my job, I started small. Real small. But this was the project that changed things. She didn't know I was building it for her. Just thought I was out here killing time again. But every cut, every sanded edge, was me trying to say I still care. Reclaimed wood. Reclaimed love. Funny how a pile of scrap can say what words can't. If you've got scrap wood, or maybe you feel a little like scrap yourself, don't toss it. Start with something small. These are the free woodworking plans that helped me. Download 50 free woodworking plans, plus the Art of Woodworking guide at the link below. You never know what it might lead to.